Hello everyone. In this lecture, can now classification of carbohydrate and first lecture we are also study the introduction of carbohydrate. Introduction of carbohydrate. They originated as product of photosynthesis and endothermic reductive condensation of carbon dioxide requiring light energy and the pigment of chlorophyll. The reaction of common reaction are photosynthetic and CO2 molecule and H2O plus energy are required, and it gives CnH2nOn. That is the general formula of the carbohydrate series molecule is the energy level of the carbohydrate compound plus NO2 molecule are required. Typically, carbohydrate are composed of string or chain of monosaccharide, that is chain of individual sugar. Like classification, it is the second point of this classification of carbohydrate. It is the most important molecule, and question are arise to the classification of carbohydrates are called saccharide if they are relatively small sugar. Classification of carbohydrate are outlined in the following table. The classification of carbohydrate, it is the dependence on size, and also they are a functional group in most abundant species. Aldose, that is called sugar having an aldehyde functional group, are also present in this molecule. Ketones means sugar having a ketone group, ketone functional group are also present in this series. And simple carbohydrate molecules are monosaccharide, that is C4 sugar converting molecule, that is called tetrose, C5 pentose sugar level, C6 hexose, C7 heptose, and C8 octose, and C9 nonose. Complex carbohydrate, disaccharide, oligosaccharide, and polysaccharide. The classification of carbohydrate can be divided into four sub-major categories. First of all, the monosaccharide, second one disaccharide, third one oligosaccharide, and fourth one polysaccharide. Monosaccharide means simple sugar unit or single sugar unit. It is the example of the monosaccharide are glucose and fructose molecule. Glucose having sugar having aldehyde functional group or an acetal equivalent, and fructose having a ketone functional group or acetal equivalent. Now, second classification of carbohydrate, disaccharide. Disaccharide, it consists of two monomer are required. First monomer, it is a monomer sugar like glucose and glucose molecule combined to each other, and we can say produce the disaccharide molecule, that is called maltose and sucrose. Sucrose are further divided into hydrolysis, and that is a glucose and fructose also series monomer. Then the compound carbohydrate have common same functional group. Glyceraldehyde, that is the third number of carbon containing compound carbohydrate sugar unit, and glucose are sixth number of carbohydrate sugar unit, are classified as aldose and ribulose sugar. Ribulose sugar means 5 carbon containing carbohydrate sugar unit, and dihydroxy acetone as well as ketone. All of these compounds are alcohol with many hydroxyl group, are polyhydroxylated, and either they aldehyde or ketone group. The general definition of carbohydrate can be polyhydroxy aldehyde as well as ketone group are also present in the carbohydrate compound. Now the table is denoted by carbohydrate compounds such as three number of carbon series compound, that is called glyceraldehyde molecule, and six number of carbon containing compound carbohydrate glucose molecule, five number of carbohydrate ribose sugar, and three number glycol unit, that is dihydroxy acetone. First of all, the classification in a subtopic is monosaccharide. Monosaccharide, the simple and smallest unit of carbohydrate. Is the mono means single or one, saccharide means sugar, from which disaccharide and as well as oligosaccharide and polysaccharide are constructed in the required. Monosaccharide are either aldehyde or ketones with one or more hydroxyl group. The 6 carbon monosaccharide glucose, that is called aldohexosis, and fructose or ketohexosis have 5 hydroxyl group are also present in this structure. The carbon atom to which hydroxyl group are attached are often chiral center. Chiral centers means four compound or four element are subdivided into the different series molecule. Like carbon upper level is hydrogen molecule, down from chlorine, bromine, and right and left side iodine. That is the chiral center also present in the carbohydrate series. And stereoisomer is common among the monosaccharide sugar. Monosaccharide, general, the example of common example of the monosaccharide, it is the glucose molecule and fructose molecule. Glucose are also known as the aldohexoses sugar, and fructose are also known as the ketohexoses sugar. Now, simple monosaccharide are the number of divided into the carbon series, three number that is called glyceraldehyde, four number, five number, 6 and 7 carbon atom are called tetrose, pentose, hexose, and heptose respectively. In this table number 1. Now, because these molecules have multiple asymmetrical carbon, they exist as diastereoisomer, isomer that are not mirror image of each other, as well as enantiomer. Diastereomer are not mirror image, that is known as a enantiomer. And in regard to this monosaccharide, the symbol D and L designated the absolute configuration of the asymmetric carbon are stressed from the aldehyde or keto group. D reverse the carbohydrate component of RNA is a 5 carbon aldose, that is called D means hydroxyl group also present in the right hand side, and L means hydroxyl group also known as present in the left hand side in the series of the glucose molecule. Now D-glucose, D-mannose, and D-galactose are abundant with 6 carbon aldose sugar. D-glucose means monosaccharide unit, D-mannose means monosaccharide unit, and D-galactose are also known as a monosaccharide unit of the carbohydrates. It may be noted that D-glucose and D-mannose differ in configuration only at C2 position. Only in C2 position means the D-glucose structure are denoted 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 6 level of the carbon containing chain, and second carbon position hydroxyl group are converted into the right hand to left hand side, that is called mannose, and left hand to right hand side, that is called glucose structure. Sugar differencing in configuration at a single asymmetric center are called epimer. Single asymmetric center also known as epimers. Thus, D-glucose and D-mannose are epimerical at C2. D-glucose and D-galactose are epimerical respected to C4 condition. In this, the required D-glucose and D-mannose epimeric C2 position, and D-glucose and D-galactose are epimeric condition with respectively C4 carbon attaching to this glucose and galactose molecule. More example of the monosaccharide will appear subsequently later, like monosaccharide unit. Example of the monosaccharide, first of all, glucose, fructose, galactose, etc. Can be divided into four major category. Now the important table of the carbohydrate classification, molecule, and structural of the carbohydrate compound. They given in this up to the table, like first of all the third member of carbohydrate compound, that is called glyceraldehyde. Now it can be divided into further erythrose and tetrose, two epimeric product, and hydroxyl always group are right hand side, that is called erythrose, and second C2 position hydroxyl left hand side, they gives triose. And erythrose are can be divided ribose sugar or annabinose. Then triose are can be divided xylose and lysose. And ribose sugar can be divided allose and altrose. And arabinose can be divided glucose and mannose. Then lysose can be divided glucose and idose. And lysose can be divided galactose and talose. The common and most important table of the carbohydrate structural unit. Structure of carbohydrate are 3 to 6 membered, and epimeric of carbohydrate. In this table, most important to the structure of carbohydrate. Now, disaccharide. It is the second classification of the carbohydrate unit like disaccharide molecule. Disaccharide means two monomer are required in this series. A disaccharide consists of two monosaccharide are joined to orthoglycosidic bond. Orthoglycosidic bond disaccharide can be homo and hetero. Disaccharide also found in homo disaccharide and heterodisaccharide. It consists of two same monomer are required. That is called homo disaccharide. It consists of two different monomer are required or different monosaccharide are required. That is glucose and galactose are required. That is known as a heterodisaccharide. Three most abundant disaccharides are sucrose as well as lactose and maltose. Sucrose and further hydrolysis can be divided glucose molecule and fructose molecule, and lactose can be divided is a glucose and glucose molecule, and maltose in hydrolysis can be divided into the glucose and galactose molecule. It is the common example of the disaccharide like sucrose, lactose, and maltose. In sucrose, the anomeric carbon atoms of glucose unit and a fructose unit are joined. Lactose, the disaccharide of milk, lactose are found also known as the milk and consist of galactose joined to glucose molecule beta 1,4 glycosidic linkage. Beta 1,4 glycosidic linkage means galactose molecules and glucose molecule are 1 and 4 C2 symmetry molecule. It consists of two monomer are required in this glycosidic linkage. And maltose alpha 1,4 glycosidic linkage joined to glucose molecule. Alpha 1,4 glycosidic linkage means two same monomer are required. Homo, it is also known as the alpha 1,4 glycosidic linkage joined to the glucose unit, and heterodisaccharide are required to the beta 1,4 glycosidic linkage to the glucose as well as galactose molecule are required. And sucrose and lactose are heterosaccharide. Maltose also known as a monosaccharide. Maltose also known as a monosaccharide meaning the two monomer are same condition or same monomer are required, glucose and glucose. It gives the homosaccharide. And sucrose are glucose and fructose monomer are required. Lactose are glucose and galactose monomer are required. It is known as a heterosaccharide. Maltose also known as a homosaccharide. Then third classification of the oligosaccharide. Oligosaccharide, it consists of more than 3 number of sugar unit up to the 10 sugar number of unit. That is the oligosaccharide polymer containing small number, typically 3 to 10 sugar unit of component of sugar, also known as a simple sugar. They repeat the monosaccharide unit in this structure. They are generally found either or oxygen and nitrogen linked to compatible amino acid side chain in protein or to the lipid moieties. Lipid moieties like the homo and heterooligosaccharides are also liberated as an intermediate product of saccharification by action of glycosidase on the polysaccharides. Now, the last classification of the carbohydrate, that is polysaccharide. Poly means many monosaccharide unit are required in the structure of the polysaccharide. And polysaccharide, common example of the polysaccharide monosaccharide unit are number of the more than 10 sugar unit required. Poly means mono saccharide unit further divided into the number of series like 10 up to the 10 sugar molecule unit. First of all, classification of polysaccharide. Polysaccharide, for a common example, it is the starch, cellulose, and lignin and glycogen are most abundant. Polysaccharide are relatively complex carbohydrate. They are polymer made up of many monosaccharides joined together by glycosidic bond. They are therefore very large octane branch macromolecules. They tend to be amorphous, insoluble in water, and have no number of tests. And polysaccharide are of the same type. The polysaccharide is called a homopolysaccharide. When more than one type of monosaccharide is present, they are also known as a heteropolysaccharide. Heteropolysaccharide are different monosaccharide unit in this present in this series. Example include storage polysaccharides such as starch and glycogen, and structural polysaccharides such as cellular and chitin. Xylene and hemicellulose is a heteropolysaccharide. Polysaccharide have a general empirical formula like CnH2nN, one where n number can be any number between 200 and 2500. Consider that the repeating unit in the polymer backbone are often 6 carbon monosaccharide. General formula can be represented in the C6H10O5N. It is the starch molecular formula of C6H10O5, the general formula of the starch. Now start. The storage form of glucose in plant is called a starch. The two forms of starch are amylose and amylose pectin. Amylose consists typical of more than 1000 D-glycopyranoside unit connected by linkage between C1 and 1 unit. C4 is next. The alpha 1 for glycosidic linkage that is known as a starch molecular required. That is other example of the polysaccharide like cellulose. In cellulose, glucose unit are joined by the beta glycosidic linkage. Cellulose chain are relatively straight line structure. The linear chain of cellulose hydrogen bond with each other to give the rigid insoluble uh, found in plant cell wall. The resulting seed then stop on top of each other. Human-like enzymes to cleavage the beta linkage in cellulose, and so cannot use cellulose as a source of the glucose. They can the structure of the cellulose beta 1 for linkage. And third example of the polysaccharide that is called glycogen series. Glycogen is the major carbohydrate storage molecule in animal. Glycogen is similar to amylopectin, aspect that glycogen has far more the branching. Occur 10 to 12 glucose unit in the glycogen is very large polysaccharide. Glycogen, it is the very large polysaccharide. The large size of glycogen prevent it from leaving the storage cell. Storage of tens of thousands of glucose molecule into one molecule greatly relieves the osmotic problem for the storage cell. Thank you for watching this video.